Hello children, welcome to Grade 4 Science, Chapter 3, Adaptation in Plants and Animals. Your first topic, Habitat and Adaptation. The climate conditions on the earth are not same everywhere. At same places, the weather conditions are extremely dry and hot, whereas at other places it is extremely cold and wet. So what is habitat? The natural surroundings or the environment in which an animal or a plant lives is called its habitat. Adaptation. Animals and plants have special features that help them to adjust to a particular habitat. Adjust to a particular habitat. This natural process is called adaptation. Adaptation in animals. So animals have certain special features that help them to adapt to their environment. Animals on land. Animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Land are known as terrestrial animals. Different types of terrestrial animals are found in different habitats. For example, camel in Thar desert, Royal Bengal tiger in Sundarbans, and polar bear in Arctic region. Animals in deserts. Deserts are large sandy areas with scarcity of water and rainfall. The deserts are extremely hot during the day but become cold at night. For example, desert animals are camel, snake, lizard, etc. Next is animals in forest. Forests are home to a huge variety of animals. Animals living in forest have to cleverly hunt for a prey and protect themselves from predators. Carnivores have sharp teeth and claws, while some can run very fast due to their powerful limbs. Herbivores have flat grinding teeth to properly chew the grass. Animals such as monkeys and squirrels mostly live on trees. Animals in grasslands. Grasslands are flat areas of dry and windy land covered with grass. In some grasslands, a few trees are also found. Grassland like large trees and heavy bushes. For example, grasshopper. Animals in polar region. In the polar regions, animals have to face extreme winter. Since it is difficult to survive in such extreme climate, some birds living in these regions move to warmer region. They return to their native places once the conditions are favorable again. This is known as migration. For example, polar bear. Animals in water. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Live in water are called aquatic animals. There are variety of animals that live in the water such as fish, turtle, etc. Adaptation in plants. Adaptation in plants. Just like animals, plants too have certain special features that help them to adapt to their environment. Plants on land. Plants that grow and survive on land are known as terrestrial plants. There is a huge variety of terrestrial plants that live in different habitats such as cactus plant, pine tree or peepal tree. Plants in desert. Most desert plants have leaves modified into thorns or spines, which help them to prevent the loss of water. The stem of cactus plants stores water for its needs. The thick and fleshy stem of cactus performs the function of a leaf. For example, desert plants also have a long penetrating root that go deep under the soil in search of water. Example, cactus plant, kikar and babul tree. Plants in grasslands. Some flowers and herbs grow in the grasslands. The plants found here are buffalo grass, sunflower and wild indigo. When the temperature is high and the grass is dry, major fires can occur. These plants have adapted themselves to survive major fires. Some flowers and herbs grow in grasslands. Plants in water. The plants that grow in water are known as aquatic plants. The aquatic plants can be classified into three categories. Aquatic plants, floating plant, underwater plants, fixed plant. Floating plants is some of the adaptation of floating plant. They have spongy stems. They have empty spaces in them get filled with air so that they can easily float. Example, water, hyacinth and duckweed. And next is underground plants. Some of adaptation of underground plants are roots of these plants are fixed in muddy soil underwater. The stems of these plants also have air spaces. They have narrow thin leaves. Example, hydrilla and tap grass. And last one is fixed plants. Some of the adaptation of fixed plants are roots of these plants are fixed to the bottom of the water bodies. They have flat leaves that can float on the surface of water. Example, lotus and water lily. Okay children, hope you understand. Study well. All the best. Thank you.